We're back, guys and gals. So let's hurry because people are nowhere to be found. Let's gonna ask what can say about the movie and the breadwinner and the breadwinners. Here. Sir, excuse me. Good evening. I just wanna ask, what can you say about the movie?
This one, I loved it. It pulled on my heartstrings. It hurt me. It made me laugh. I love it.
Yeah.
It was,
Same.
Is this your first time watching a Filipino film?
no, not really. No. I've been watching since I was away.
I see. Are you a foreigner or a Filipino?
No, I'm not. Filipino.
A Filipino. Is this your first time to be watched for the Metro Film Fest?
Yeah, this is our first movie.
Yeah.
Yes,
So, what can you say? What else can you say about the movie aside from you being touched?
Probably the production and the coordination of the staff. Probably the whole thing. The whole thing. Kudos to the production staff. Everything.
Do you watch every year during
We try to.
Yeah.
When there's time.
But this is the first time na nanood tayo ng
On the
first
day
day
itself,
pa lang.
Yeah.
Because kasi super
You-
ganda nung trailer pa lang. And
We got hooked on it.
yeah, super inabangan ka
Yeah.
namin this movie.
How about you, madam? What can you say else about the movie? Do you expect about this thing to happen, about the story?
No, I didn't expect it. Pero alam ko, I mean, gets naman na maging heavy siya. Ayun, pero for the movie, super siya sa akin, tumagos kasi I'm a breadwinner myself.
Yeah, oh gosh.
So, as in, iyak talaga si Ate.
And it speaks a lot to the experience of
It's a good
Filipinos.
movie, as in, super, yun talaga yung reality. At saka yung
Yes.
super ganda ng isang scene doon, ang daming binitawan na.
Which one?
Yung sa family,
Mm-mm.
yung sobrang bigat ng mga binitawan nilang words, na totoo talaga siya. Ayun, na,
The confrontation scenes.
Oo.
Yeah, I love
Yung
the
may mga bagay na siguro yung ibang breadwinner, may isip nila kasi ako, like may mga bagay doon na hindi mo masabi pero parang nalabas
I
doon.
know.
Pati
Yes.
yung mga kapamilya ng breadwinner. Diba? So, ang ganda talaga yung show.
Among those actors, who do you think stand out when it comes on acting?
That's a good question. Like,
Aside kay Vice, kasi nasa
or-
kanya na talaga yung limelight.
Just one. We know that they are all good actors, but one actor or yeah.
Ako for me, sobrang nagalingan ako. Hindi ko alam kung nagkakapampangan talaga si
Gladys. Oh,
Gladys.
yeah.
Pero galing niya magkapampangan.
Mm-mm.
Ayun. Hindi ko alam silang dalawa ni Jong.
I see.
Na,
How about you, sir?
Likewise,
Who do you think? Likewise.
but siguro kung may underrated, I appreciated yung on screen time ni, what's his name? Paeng.
Yeah.
I like the scenes where he was.
So, it's a surprise element for us kasi I barely know Paeng. Just first time seeing acting on the screen, and then he makes some.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. Yeah, great time.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, I will give my remarks after this.
Watching everything.
Yeah, I already watched.
Oh, you did?
But I just want to do the moviegoers to give their remarks.
Yeah, but it's a
That's
good
so-
movie.
that's
Yeah.
Super,
so nice.
super good.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
May I know your name, please?
I'm Elijah and
Crazy.
Yeah.
about you, sir?
I'm Hendrix AA. This is my
Hendrix.
blog. You
nice to
can
meet you, Sir Hendrix.
watch this episode after a few days to go.
Okay.
Because I have lots of uploads to
Of
make.
course.
Yeah, Hendrix AA, YouTube. Yeah.
Alright.
So, greet your family and friends.
Everyone watch and the breadwinner is and support Filipino films everywhere.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a good
Thank you so
one.
much for your time.
No, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Have a great day.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you so
Much. What's next movie you're gonna watch after this one?
Uninvited.
Probably on your back.
Thank you. Me too.